Nice to meet you. My name is Cupid. I'm your AI matchmaker. Shall we get started? The process is fast and easy. Let's start by connecting some of your socials to me. Great. I now have a deeper understanding of the type of person you are. You can connect more of your socials to me whenever you like. The more I get to know you, the more accurately I can match you. These are your karma points. Your activity on our app will gradually increase your karma. A higher karma indicates that I'm learning much more about you, and as a result, your matches will be better suited to you. Now that you're all set up, let's find you a match. You've connected 5 socials to me, which makes my job easy. Here's a match. You can view more details about them, as well as ask me any specific questions you might have about your match. Here are their insights. You can click on any of these to get a better understanding of the type of person they are. Once you and your match agree to meet up for a first date, I can help you with that process as well. With the data I've gathered from you and your match, I can suggest fun date locations you'd both enjoy. Once you accept the date location and time, I'll add all the details to your calendar and notify you once the date is near. All that's left is for you to go on that date. Dating can sometimes be stressful. Luckily, I'll be here to offer support and guidance every step of the way.